Today's class I am going to teach about how to implement NAND and NOR gate using 2:1 mux. So previous video we discussed the basic logic gate, AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate using mux implementation. If you needed, kindly refer the video. Now we move on the session. So first I take NAND gate, implementation of NAND gate using 2:1 mux. First I draw the symbol of NAND gate. So it's a NAND gate symbol. It's a 2-input NAND gate. Inputs are A and B. So these two variables considered as input variable. Y is the output. The corresponding Boolean expression is A dot B whole bar. So it's a Boolean expression for NAND gate. Now come to truth table. So this NAND gate is a 2-input NAND gate. A and B is the input variable. Y is the output variable. So these two variables making 4 combinations of input 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. The corresponding output 0 0. The output is 1, 0 1, 1, 1 0 1, 1 1 0. So it's the truth table of NAND gate. The property of the NAND gate is any one input is low level, the corresponding output is high level. So it's the property of NAND gate. So now come to implementation diagram. So this NAND gate is implemented by using 2:1 mux. So already we discussed the basic concept of mux, 2:1 mux. So it has a 2 inputs and 1 selection line. So S represent selection line. Inputs are I0 and I1. So I0 and I1. So I0 represent 0th input of mux and first input of mux. The corresponding output is Y. So Y is the output of the mux. So here, so selection line is A or B. So in this case I am taking A is the selection line because it only have one changes. So it has only one changes. Suppose we take B variable consider as a selection line. It change 0 to 1 and 1 to 0, then 0 to 1. So multiple changes occur. So I here choose A is the selection line. So selection line equal to A. If A equal to 0. If A equal to 0, the output value equal to 1. So irrespective of this B value, the output value is said to be 1. So Y equal to 1. So when A equal to 0, the corresponding output Y equal to 1. If A equal to 1, so A equal to 1 in this case, so complement of B value. So Y equal to complement of B value. So 0 here, the output is 1, just taking 1's complement. Then next case, B value is 1, the corresponding output is 0, just taking 1's complement. Inversion of B is equal to Y. So B bar, when A equal to 1, so Y equal to B bar. So first I take the case 1, so A equal to 0. So when A equal to 0, in this case Y equal to 1. So this connect to VDD. So VDD or logic 1. Then come to second case, A equal to 1. So in this case Y equal to B bar. So I1 is connect to B bar. The corresponding equation, so Y equal to A bar 1. So A bar dot 1 plus A dot B bar. So A dot B bar. So A bar plus A dot B bar. The distributive log. So this expression is rewrite like this. A bar plus A bar plus B bar. So A bar plus A equal to 1. So A bar plus B bar. So NAND gate Boolean expression is A dot B the whole bar. So the De Morgan's law of A dot B the whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar. So it's a NAND gate operation implement by using 2:1 mux. So then come to NOR gate. So first I draw the symbol. So it's a 2 input NOR gate. Inputs are A and B. So A and B is the input variable, Y is the output variable. Then corresponding Boolean expression A plus B the whole bar. So it's a Boolean expression for NOR gate. Then come to the truth table. So A and B is the input variable and Y is the output variable. It makes the 4 combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So NOR gate output is just add these two values 0 plus 0, 0. Complement of 0 is 1. Then remaining all the values goes to 0. So it's a truth table of NOR gate. Then now I am going to design. So implementation diagram. So implementation diagram. So it's a 2:1 mux. It has a 2 input and 1 selection line. So S represent selection line. So I0 and I1. So I0 is the 0th input of mux and I1 is the second input of mux. So Y is the output. So here A is considered as a selection line because it has only one change. So A is the selection line. So when A equal to 0, so when A equal to 0, so here output Y equal to complement of B value. So here B value is 0, the output is 1. Then next case B value is 1, output is 0. Then Y equal to B bar. So Y equal to B bar. So I0 is connected to B bar. If A value equal to 1, so here A value equal to 1, so Y equal to, irrespective of this B input, the output is equal to 0. So this I1 pin is connected to ground, so it represents logic 0. So now I write the expression for this 2:1 mux. So A bar dot B bar plus, so A equal to 1, A dot 0. So this term goes to 0. Now Y equal to A bar dot B bar. So here NOR gate expression is A plus B the whole bar. So applying the De Morgan's law. So this expression is rewrite like this, A bar dot B bar. So it's a NOR operation. So Y equal to A bar dot B bar is an OR operation. So using the 2:1 mux. So I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.